In this Blender tutorial, we will try to create this kind of design. I'm going to delete this design and let's start with new. To create this design, I'm going to use the Bezier circle. Go to the top view, go to the edit mode, select these handles and then scale them along the y-axis in this way. Change the transform point to individual origin, select these handles and then scale them like this. Select these handles, switch the transform point to the bounding box and scale them in this way. You will get this kind of elliptical shape. Go to the object data properties, then decrease the resolution to 8. Then right click and then convert to the mesh. Go to the edit mode, select everything and then press F to fill the gap. Then need to extrude it and move it along the z-axis. Select everything, mesh and symmetrize, take the symmetry along the z-axis. Select this top face, select this bottom face and delete it. Select this top edge loop, move it along the z-axis and scale it down. Select this bottom edge loop, move it along the z-axis and scale it down. Apply the scale, go to the edit mode, select the center edge loop and Ctrl B, add a bevel on it. Then add a few more loop cuts like this. Add one loop cut here. Now select this edge loops and then right click, use the set flow to maintain the good edge flow at there. Delete this bottom face loop. We just want this much part. Select this top edge loop and press F to fill the gap. Select the bottom edge loop and press F to fill the gap. Then shift A, mesh and add a cube. This is our cutter object. Give it right position. Go to the edit mode. Select this word and move it along the z-axis. Select this word and move it along the x-axis. Select these words and move them along the x-axis. Then select these two objects and then shift Q and use the boolean operation difference. You will get this kind of design. Apply the boolean modifier, delete the cutter object. Select everything, mesh and symmetrize, take the symmetry along the x-axis. Then select everything and press M and merge by distance so double words will get merged. Select this word and select this word and press M and merge at last. Then select this edge loop and Ctrl B, add bevel on it. Select these words and select this word and then press J to connect it. Then select this edge and Ctrl H to dissolve it. Select this word and select this word and then press J to connect it. Then dissolve this edge. Then select everything, mesh and symmetrize, take the symmetry. Select this edge loop and dissolve it and then select everything, mesh and symmetrize. Select this word and select this word and then press M, merge at last, connect them. Then you need to select this edge loop and then Ctrl B, add bevel on it. Shape factor should be 1, add a 2 segment bevel. Use the knife tool and create cut like this. Select this word and select this word, press M, merge at last. Dissolve this edge. Here is the chord, here is also chord. Then use the knife tool and create this kind of cuts along the y-axis. Then you need to add one loop cut here and then select this word and connect them. Select this word and then connect these words. Then shift A, mesh, add a cube. Move this cube along the z-axis and scale it down. Go to the edit mode, turn on the extreme mode, select these words and scale them along the x-axis. Now this is our second cutter object. Select these two objects and use the boolean operation difference. Then apply the boolean modifier, delete the cutter object. Select everything, mesh, symmetrize, take the symmetry. Then select everything, press M and merge by distance. Select this word and merge them at last. Select these words and then press J to connect them. Select this edge loop and then Ctrl B, add bevel on it. Then use the knife tool and create this kind of cut and then dissolve these edges. Add one loop cut here, use the set flow on it. and then select this word and then press J to connect them. Add one loop cut here and add one loop cut here. Select this word and then press J to connect them. Add one loop cut, select this word and then press J to connect them. Select everything, mesh and symmetrize. Select this edge loop and Control B, add bevel on it. Shape factor should be 0.5 and add a 4 segment bevel like this. Dissolve this edge loop, select this word and then press J to connect them. Select these edges and dissolve them. Try to create right topology there as much as you can. Select everything, mesh and symmetrize, take the symmetry. Select this edge and select this edge, Control X to dissolve it. Select this edge loop and Control B, add bevel on it. Select everything, mesh, symmetrize. Select everything, press M and merge by distance. Select this edge loop and Control B, add bevel on it. Add a 2 segment bevel, shape factor should be 1. Select these edges, dissolve them, select everything, press M and merge by distance. Then hit the Ctrl 2 to add the subdivision modifier and shade smooth it. You will get this kind of design.